Okay. Hello, guys. So this is SuperBebe again, and someone asked me about their ROG Ally, and they're having problem with connecting a mic, right? For example, you want to connect something like an headset like this, and most of the time when you connect this headset, uh, it will not recognize the mic. Okay, so this video is about that. How will you enable your connected devices mic and then use its mic rather than the microphone array in the ROG Ally. So right now I'm on the settings right now of the ROG Ally, which will show you if I click on the audio. So you will see that my microphone mode is currently the Ally or the mode on the Ally, right? So there's no settings here for the mic for now. Okay, and then as you can see on the sounds, if we look on the sound, the only mic we have here was this was for my streaming platform, and this one is the microphone array in the ROG Ally, which is the little holes here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open or search for the Realtek. Okay, Realtek audio console app. Okay, this is the Realtek audio console app. But before I go that, if you cannot see your devices, you can also use the more sound settings. This will show you all of your connected devices on your phone, which is let me say this will be my set default, and then the recording will be your list of your mic. As you can see, the microphone array is receiving the voices that I am currently um, speaking. So you will see that there's a green there, and then other microphone as well that I already used on this ROG Ally before. Okay, headset, Bluetooth headset, the streamer audio, and this one, the microphone Realtek audio, which is currently not plugged in because this one is not plugged in yet. Okay, so if you go to the properties, you want to open up your Realtek audio connector, which is this one. You can also do this by going from clicking this Realtek. Oh no, sorry, that's wrong. Wait. So let's go back. Let's see. Okay, here. So let's see this one. Properties. This should show me properties. No. Sorry. So that's not about it. The properties. So from here, you will see that I'm seeing here that the device is working properly, meaning to say there's no problem on the drivers or whatsoever. Okay. So once you are on your Windows, just search for the Realtek audio console, which is this one. Once it's open, you go to the device advanced settings. Wait, let me show. Let me hide let me hide the camera. Yeah. So device advanced settings, and you see these connector settings. Enable auto pop up dialog when a device has been plugged in. The reason for this is because once you plug in on something, the Realtek audio console should pop out immediately once once you plug in something in the port of the 3.5 mm audio jack. Okay, so this is important because or it will ask you what kind of device are you plugging in. Like for this one, connector tasking. So most of the time, this enable auto pop in ROG Ally is currently off. That's why each time you plug in something here, it will not show you up, or it will not detect anything, and it will just only use the microphone array which is on the ROG Ally. So for example, I disable it. Let's say I'll plug in something. Okay. So for now, if I go to my, I already configured this, but if I go to here, it will show you that it will only go to microphone array. This one will not show up. So if we go to our real tech again, so you see, it's already been set up, but sometimes it will just only show up as a headphone, not headset. Or if you're connecting a mic, it might be just mic in, or sometimes it's only headphones. Let's say it's only an headphone. Usually that's the default. Usually when you're connecting something on your ROG Ally, it will just be only considered as headphone, and then the enable auto pop off dialog will just simply on off, and you will not be asked what kind of devices are you plugging into your 3.5 mm jack. So if you see on my sounds right now, you will see that there's no Realtek microphone. It's just only microphone array, and this one is from my streaming microphone. So there's no um, option of that devices that I currently plug in. Now, once you go to your, for example, let's say your this one, your Discord, then you will not see uh, your selection for that microphone. Okay, so you will not see anything. You will only see microphone array and microphone streaming. Okay, so that is important that you go to your Realtek audio console. If not, if you don't want to enable this, then it's okay. The important thing here is that you reconfigure this. If you're connecting a headset, then make sure you select headset. If you're connecting a mic in, or maybe it's a line out or headphones, then there's no mic for these two. The only mic we have for this one, it will be mic in and then the headset. So I selected headset, then we go to our sounds. Right now, you will see that I have a selection for microphone now, right? So if I going to use this, and then I'm going to test this, test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic, test mic. So as you can see, I have 1% volume and it is working now. So let's go to the sound option. You will also see that, hello, test mic, that I'm still receiving some on my Microsoft array, but I have the microphone audio connected right now. Okay, so you can also do the boost and everything here. Okay. All right. So once I already enabled that, hello, I'm not sure if this is still working. Hello, hello, hello. So once I enable that, that will have me an option to select on, for example, Discord, to select that microphone, which is the microphone Realtek audio device, as my current mic for this one. Hello, hello, test mic. As you can see, there's a hello, 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 mic. Hello, hello. As you can see, there's a level once I speak on my headphone, okay? Or from my headset, the mic on my headset, okay? So, that's about it. If you're having problem on that one, you need to check if your current sound is showing your microphone headset as a Realtek audio. Go to your sound settings as well, and this one will pop out. Go to recording and see if your microphone Realtek audio is currently plugged in, and most important of all is the Realtek audio device that you selected the analog or connector rest tasking to headset or mic in, so that your your current device that you connected to the 3.5 mm will be recognized as a headset or a mic in or whatever you are inserting on your ROG Ally. Okay, so if you have any questions on this video, please just comment down below so that I can answer most of that questions. Okay, and please share this as well if you have any friends that having problem also with their ROG Ally in regards to their external mic or external headset that they are using. Okay, so again, SuperBebe again here, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.